right, shifting focus back to the Swati Maliwal political storm that's brewing out. In fact, we're getting in breaking inputs. The latest reaction coming in is of the Assam Chief Minister. Himanta Biswa Sarma has now launched his attack on Arvind Kejriwal, stating that sab Kejriwal ka engineer kiya hua hai and that the inquiry should also include Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, in the morning we had seen that press conference being presided over by the Union Finance Minister, and now the latest attack as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party against Kejriwal is concerned is coming in from the Assam Chief Minister. Let's also listen in to what the Assam CM had to say.
ये बहुत बुरा हुआ है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने ही ये सब इंजीनियर किया था। ये जो इंक्वायरी है, इंक्वायरी में इंक्वायरी का दायरे में अरविंद केजरीवाल को भी लाना चाहिए।
All right, so let's quickly go across to Yash, who's tracking the latest for us. Yash, we're already seeing pointed attacks come in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Of course, the latest is the Assam Chief Minister after what we heard, what the Finance Minister had to say in the morning.
Well, absolutely, Akansha. And this clamour to take action against Arvind Kejriwal will only increase, I guess, because BJP knows that how big of an issue this is, and in fact coming at a time of election also. So they will want that Arvind Kejriwal should be actually taken to the wall from all the corners, because we know that how he's part of the alleged Delhi liquor scam, and now this very case hitting his party is actually something to worry about for the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, Himanta Biswa Sarma has always been a vocal critique of Arvind Kejriwal specifically, because Aam Aadmi Party has on various occasions has talked about how he has jumped ship just to clean his image and to just get off those cases from him. And now Himanta Biswa Sarma is also asking for an action against Arvind Kejriwal, and in fact very categorically he goes on to say how it is being orchestrated, how it was orchestrated by Chief Minister himself. And in fact, looking at the investigation, the current stage of investigation, this also looks very likely, because the property where this incident happened, where this alleged assault took place, was of Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party's national convener Arvind Kejriwal. So in most likelihood he will be part of this investigation. He can be called as an eyewitness, or he could be summoned as an eyewitness to talk about this very case. And in fact political pressure is also rising, and so as the investigation's ambit is also increasing.